Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to make this awesome DIY Christmas collage frame, keep watching. Alright guys, this is everything that you will need to make your DIY Christmas collage frame. I have holiday printed photos, there's a snowman, some lights, some ornaments, everything that you guys will find in the holidays. I have a 5x7 wooden frame. I recommend that it's wooden since we're going to be adding clay, and those clay colors are red, black, and yellow. Then we have some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, some scissors, and some paper towels. So before we hop on with this video, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share this awesome video with your friends so they can enjoy it too. Now let's get on with this video. I'm gonna go turn it over, take out the back, and get out the glass. So you have to be very careful when you're doing this. As you guys can see, the glass can be taken out. We're not going to need this just yet, but we're going to need it very soon. So make sure that you can take out your glass. I'm going to very carefully put it back, put on my paper, and then put this on and put it back. So make sure that you've checked how big it is and if that's going to be a good size for your DIY Christmas collage frame. I'm closing it back up, and we're going to go on to our next step, which is creating our collage. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now I have my frame opened and now everything is ready to be used. So I have my large assortment of pictures, and I'm going to pick about 8 of these to put inside my frame. So now I'm going to get to picking. Alright guys, so here I have my 8 photos. There's ones with ornaments, and there's different ones with lights. Then we even have a snowman. So now I'm going to get my Mod Podge and my paintbrush to start gluing off these together so that they will stick as one piece of paper. Alright guys, so now with our photos finished and all of them glued together with the Mod Podge, I can now get the glass that is on the frame and put it onto here to get a nice cutout so it will fit in our frame. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What you're going to do is you're going to open your frame. And then you're going to get your glass. You have to be super duper careful with this because it's super duper fragile. Place it onto your collage. And then you're going to want to get your permanent Sharpie. And you're going to mark all around here so that your collage will fit inside of your frame. Guys, so now that I have my collage outlined with the glass, I'm going to get my scissors and cut it out. Alright guys, so our collage, which came out so nice, is ready to be put into our frame. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the backing once more. I took out the paper that was there so now I could put in this piece of paper. The back doesn't look as nice as the front, but the back won't be showing because it'll be covered by this wooden piece. If you guys want to spice up your DIY Christmas collage frame, you guys can paint with holiday colors. Those colors could be green, like I chose, red, white, gold, silver, or any colors that remind you of the holidays. I recommend doing this before you add your clay so your clay won't get any paint on it, so your clay can look nice and clean. So now that I told you guys about this, let's get on to adding our clay. Alright guys, so here are the 3 pieces of clay, which are red, yellow, and black. So with the yellow and black, I made this super duper pretty sunflower. Then with the red, I made a rose. So first, I'll be showing you guys how to make the rose. Alright guys, so I have finished my rose. This looks really lifelike because I made small and big pieces. I used exactly 15 pieces. At the end, I did cut some off so that it wouldn't be too big for my frame. Now you guys can start to make your sunflower. And then after done making 2 roses and 2 sunflowers, you guys can add them to your frame. Now let's get into making the sunflower. Alright guys, so with our 2 sunflowers and our 2 roses ready, now we can add them to our frame. So I'll put 1 rose on top. Then I'll put 1 rose on the bottom. I'll put one sunflower on the bottom and one sunflower on the top. Alright guys, so now with my roses and my sunflowers added on, my DIY Christmas collage frame is complete. If you guys want to paint your frame with whatever color that you like that reminds you of the holidays, you guys should do that before you add on your clay, so your clay won't get messed up. Now that I finished this video, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share this awesome video with your friends so they can enjoy it too. I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye and peace.